So we had a gopher tortoise. We get them every now and then. We had a bunch of them out back where the horse is. And then sometimes they just leave and decide to move on. But last night I was walking the dog and I noticed all the sand over there. And an old hole was occupied. And who is it? Let's go look. There's a big one there. Oops. Let's see if he'll turn around so we can see. But you can't. People like to eat these around here. I don't know if you can see. It's too bright out here. Hi, little baby. Anyway, I'm happy we got one back.